Welcome to Coding with T, and I'm your host, Tiffany.
Hey Codys, quick disclaimer. From this point on, I'll be dropping videos every Monday and Wednesday at 3:30 Central Time, so stay tuned. This will be a short video because I wanted to take the time to show you how to use lists with methods. First, I want to let you know that using lists with methods are very similar to how we use arrays with methods. For demonstration purposes, in this example, I will be showing you the syntax of using an array list of integer objects. This is kind of a recap because I showed you the syntax and wrote code in the previous videos, but I want to make sure it's fresh in your mind, so let's dive right into it. Okay, so to accept an array list of integer objects as a parameter, our method is declared as public void. Now remember, void does not have a return type. We're going to name our method myMethod1, and inside of these parentheses, we're going to use array list. Inside of the arrow brackets, we're going to type integer, and we're going to name it m. We're just going to use the variable m. Now below it, you have curly braces. And inside of those curly braces is where you write your code. However, in order to return an array list of integer objects from a method, we would have to declare our method as public. We type array list inside of the arrow brackets integer, and we're going to name our method myMethod2. Now below it we have curly braces, and inside of these curly braces there's an instantiation of the array list. Below the instantiation is where you would type your code. Then you would return the results. And here's the last step. Now let's suppose our method1 method and our method2 method are part of our demo class. And say we will want to call these methods. The first thing we need to type is demo class, demo call equal new demo class. Remember, you can name your class anything of your choosing, but I tried to name this class something meaningful. In other words, something related to the use of the class. I named my object demo call. Again, just trying to use meaningful names. The next thing we're going to do is create an array list because we're going to use this when we call myMethod1. Now that we've done that, let's call myMethod1. So we use our object class with demo class. We use the dot operator to call myMethod1. And inside of the parentheses, we will pass our array list as an argument. And here's how we will call myMethod2. We're going to do another array list, and our object will be named nums2. And we're going to initialize it to our object, demo class. And we're going to use the dot operator to call myMethod2. Just to explain a little bit, what's happening here is we assign the results to the array list because, of course, an array list is being returned. And again, this is just the syntax. You can play around with it a little bit and implement your own code. And I recommend if you get stuck, just check out a few of the last videos, and that should help you get on track. Okay, Codys, we're going to end it here. If this video helped you out, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, Hit that notification button and also drop a comment and share the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.